Hi guys, so my name is Alabi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, so I've decided to do some sort of training and just share a little bit of my knowledge with you guys. So right now, this is more like unscripted. I have nothing planned, but I basically just want to communicate with you guys. So just want to try this and see how it goes, right? So let's just have fun. Yeah. I remember I wrote a song in 2018. I think that's a good place to start from. And the song is titled My Heart Cry. It's on E major, right? So there's the part where I will transition from my major to like, was it parallel minor? I think it was. So I look up to the hills from whence come my help. I know it's from the Lord. I cry, oh, God, never forsake me. Yeah. Then Father, hold me, remold me, tell me that I'm not alone. Jesus, Savior, Redeemer, all I want is you. So I'm going to teach you guys the shape for this chord. So basically you have your, okay, from the part where I went to the 3. So I look up to the hill. So basically you can have you can pick it, your convenience is key, but basically this is how I place it. My ring, okay, is that ring finger? Sorry, this is the middle finger, right? I have my middle finger on my fretboard number 4, yes, on string 6. Then I have my ring finger on same fretboard number 4, but string 4. Yeah, fret 4, string 4. Then I have my pinky, my little finger on my string number 3 on that same fret 4. So you play it together, you have, right? That's chord 3, right? It's a minor chord definitely, but it's a shape you can actually move around. So yeah, so I look up to the hill, whence come my help? Half step up, same shape. I know it's from the Lord. A full tone. Then the same shape, go back to play the whole thing on fret number 2. So I cry, oh, that gives you your 2 chords. Then, oh, back to the 3, oh, just a tone higher from the 2. Then back to the semitone high again. Yeah, never forsake. That is giving you more like yeah, more like a minor 9. Yeah. Never forsake me. Alright, yeah. So this chord is it's more like a minor 11th, or you can as well just call it like B over A. Okay, so do you know what? I'll drop the chord. You guys are probably saying the correct name of the chord on your screen right now. Yeah, but definitely this nomenclature could be confusing sometimes, but yeah, definitely when you get it, you get it. So that's a resolve back to the major. Never forsake me, yeah. Then Father, then to hold me, remove me, tell me that I'm not alone. Jesus, Savior, Redeemer, all I want is you. Oh wow, this video is already 5 minutes, so I plan not to do something too long. So this is just like a trial video, but I think I should do more of this. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video. If you're still watching at this point in time, it means you started from the beginning till this time, and I appreciate you so much. I do not take this for granted. Anywhere you're watching from, all over the world, please kindly drop it in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from, and let me know what you want me to talk about in the next video. Whatever you want me to teach, want me to talk. If you have questions, just reach out through the comment section. I'm definitely going to read and reply to your questions, and basically try do a video to explain whatever question you have. And I think this is fun, and I'm going to do more of this. All right, guys, thank you so large, and please, if you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, please. All right, so, and click the notification bell so you get to know whenever I have a new video up. Then yeah, see you guys on the next one. Bye.